was a strong and friendly fella with the name of Campanella. He was someone special, I could see right off the bat. There was something...
Webcasting from the Little Bell Publishing Studios in Rockton, Illinois, this is the Mortgage Messenger with host Jim Campanella. Hi, I'm Jim Campanella, and this is the premier podcast of the Mortgage Messenger. Weekly, I'll be giving a quick recap of what's going on with mortgage rates, providing you with useful information about home buying, your credit, and the mortgage industry in general. And I'll be doing all this in about a 5-minute webcast. You can read my bio, find out how to contact me, or find other useful information about the mortgage industry at our website, www.mortgagemessenger.net. So let's begin. And now, the week in review. This past week, which ended May 14th, we saw existing home sales for the month of March reflect a 5.3% increase over the month of February, which is a 21% increase over the same time last year. Now that does sound pretty impressive. However, most economists are quick to point out that the tax credit for purchasing new homes expired on April 30th, and everyone's anticipating home sales to decline for the month of May. Rates happened to take an unexpected drop this past week due to the economic problems of Greece. People took their money from the stock market and moved it to the bond market upon the news of the issues with Greece, and then immediately went from the bond market back to the stock market when the European Union announced a $1 trillion bailout for Greece. So although rates did drop last week, don't expect this to last. Coming up this week, on Tuesday, the U.S. Census Bureau will release last month's housing starts. Housing starts are the number of units of residential dwellings where construction has started. Also on Tuesday, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics will release the PPI, Producers Price Index, which measures the change of prices domestic producers receive for their output. On Wednesday, the CPI, Consumer Price Index, is released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, which represents changes in prices paid by consumers for goods and services. These two statistics, PPI and CPI, tell us whether or not we have inflation and whether or not we should expect higher interest rates soon. So we could see rates take an upswing towards the end of the week if there's any signs of inflation. And now it's time for viewer email. If you should have any questions you would like answered in a future podcast, send an email to mortgagemessenger@gmail.com. In this segment, I will answer questions from your emails. However, since this happens to be the premiere episode, this segment's going to be kind of short. Well, I can see by the time on the clock outside my studio window that our time is up. So join us on Wednesday when our topic will be the law that's currently being implemented to transition all loan officers to a national registration and how that will help you. And don't forget to subscribe to our free podcasts at iTunes or our website at www.mortgagemessenger.net. Thanks for watching.
Forget you, Campanella. You're still the MVP within my heart. You're still the MVP within my heart.